Some of the instruments we use in music are trumpets, flute, tambourine, talking drum, shekere, side drum, cymbal, recorder, grand piano, keyboard, conga, violin, and saxophone. Guitar is a string instrument. The name of the person that plays guitar is called guitarist. You can play guitar by standing or by sitting down. You can use your finger or plectrum to play guitar. Guitar is made of wood and string. Parts of a guitar includes head, tuning, neck, string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, and string 6. Sound hole, top, and bridge.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you are new here, consider to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos. See you in next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.